Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of savings apps, specifically Rocket Money. Let's face it, saving money can be a struggle. Between bills, unexpected expenses, and that tempting latte every morning, building a solid nest egg can feel impossible. But that's where apps like Rocket Money come in. They help you automate your savings, track your spending, and even negotiate your bills. Pretty cool, right? But what if you need access to that saved cash? Maybe an emergency pops up, or you finally saved enough for that dream vacation. How do you get your money out of Rocket Money? Well, fret no more, because that's exactly what we'll be tackling today. In this video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of withdrawing money from your Rocket Money savings plan. Now, before we jump in, it's important to understand a key thing about Rocket Money. They don't actually hold your money directly. Instead, they work with partner banks to create these smart savings accounts. This means your money is technically still in a bank account, but with features and automation powered by Rocket Money. So, when you withdraw from your Rocket Money savings plan, you are essentially transferring the money back to your original checking account. This makes the process super smooth and convenient, but it's good to keep that connection in mind. Alright, with that cleared up, let's get down to business. Cut to screen recording of the Rocket Money app. Here we are on the Rocket Money app. The interface is pretty user-friendly, so follow along closely. First, you'll want to locate the savings section on your dashboard. It might be collapsed, so you might need to tap a button to expand it. Once you're in the savings section, you'll see a list of your smart savings accounts, each with its own name, maybe emergency fund or the vacation goals. Tap on the specific savings plan you want to withdraw money from. This will take you to a detailed view of that account. Now, look for a button labeled Withdraw or something similar. It might be next to a button labeled Add Money, making it easy to identify. Tap that Withdraw button. Optional, add a shortcut scene here explaining why withdrawals can only go back to the original funding account. Here's where you tell Rocket Money how much you want back. There might be a pre-filled amount based on your recent deposits, but you can easily adjust that number. Just enter the desired withdrawal amount and make sure it's a settled deposit, basically, money that's already cleared and ready to go. Once you've entered the amount, you'll likely see a confirmation screen summarizing your withdrawal request. Double-check everything looks good, then tap a button like Transfer or Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. Optional, add a scene with text overlay explaining processing times, 1 to 2 business days. And that's it. You've successfully requested a withdrawal from your Rocket Money savings plan. The money should be transferred back to your original checking account within 1 to 2 business days, excluding weekends. Just remember, you can only withdraw money from Rocket Money back to the same checking account you used to fund the savings plan initially. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access. So there you have it. Withdrawing money from your Rocket Money savings plan is a quick and easy process. Now you can access your saved funds whenever you need them. Of course, the best practice is to try and avoid dipping into your savings unless absolutely necessary. But hey, life throws curveballs sometimes, and it's good to know you can access your money with ease if needed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.